I have done the exhalation. I am not inhaling now. So I am neither inhaling nor exhaling. I am, no, yeah, I'm just suspending my breath for some time and I relax. Okay. So inhale, hold the breath, exhale, and take a pause. Don't inhale, don't exhale. Okay. एक बार, we'll do one time, and then so that we get the benefit. चलिए करते हैं, श्वास लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Take control of yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Send out all those negativities. Send out all that unwanted garbage from the body, mind, heart. And take a pause. Neither inhale nor exhale. Stay there for some time. Okay. So what is now going to happen if you do this? Something very significantly happens. What is that? Your brain gets oxygen. Your parasympathetic system, which is the your cooling system, okay, that will get activated. So you remember we said there is one accelerator, that is your sympathetic system. The sympathetic system means what? It is sympathizing with your needs, right? So what happens when you get anxious, when you get stressed out, or when you want to do something in a hurry? What happens is the body is supporting you, right, in terms of doing those things very fast. Is it not we always do? If we are want to hurry up, then we do things fast. So when we have to do things fast, we'll have to also move our whatever you want to dress up early, quite quickly, and you have to pack your bag and then move, right? So we are doing it fast. So what is happening is we are our mind and body is conditioning, right, to do so. Our our vehicle or our thing is running faster, so it will take more fuel. So that is the sympathetic system. But what is the opposite of that sympathetic system is a parasympathetic system. So when your work is done, suppose you wanted to go for some meeting or whatever it is, and you say reach the airport, then after what that you do? Oh, now check-in is over, everything is over, then now you wait for the boarding announcement. So then you relax. So what was being done earlier was acceleration, activity. What you are now doing is relaxation. Why? Because that activity has ended. Now you'll relax. So deep breathing improves or activates the cooling system. Okay, it activates the vagus nerve. Very, very important function of deep breathing. Very, very important benefit of deep breathing. It improves the HRV also. That is heart rate variability. Okay, heart rate variability of 60 and above is recommended. If your heart rate variability is above 60, your heart is in good condition. Okay. It does so many other things. No? It improves all your functions, everything, right? So what I'm saying is, what we are all saying, oxygen is energy. Oxygen is everything for the body. So if you can do it, and if you can slow down your breathing, yeah, you have achieved whatever you wanted. Okay. So this is what is the, right? So two techniques we said, one was the deep breathing part of it, and one was the Bhramari. And those simple exercises, if we can move the lymph around with those 5, 6 nodes. I will share this presentation with Anu, and you can take this presentation, refer. Yeah, Anu will also, I mean, what is your system? You can take those recordings, keep it with you whenever you want. You can also do that thing. Okay, so that is what it is, right? So I will give you one simple technique. So tip is when to do yoga, breathing, deep breathing exercise. Brahmani you can do anytime. Those exercises which we have recommended, no, topsy-turvy posture or any other thing. So if you take tea, coffee, take half an hour break and then do exercises. Okay. If you have done breakfast, have a 90-minute gap, and after lunch, have a 3-hour gap before you do any yoga or deep breathing exercises. Right? Other simple exercises, moving the neck here and there, is all very simple. That you can do it anytime. Okay. Okay, I'll skip this. Okay. Uh, this is something which is diet is very important for immunity. Okay. So A to Z of diet, right from your amino acids to zinc. Yeah. Take vitamin C in large quantities, good quantities. Lemon is available plentiful. Amla, I have also not got it. एक दो बार लाया वो भाजी वाला, but बाद में मिला नहीं. Anyway, lemon is good enough. And vitamin D, we are all blessed now. We are close to 40 degrees. Okay, but the morning 5 to 7 minutes of sunshine is recommended. So use that. Okay, and papita is available plentiful. Kharbuja to milta hi milta hai. Okay. So we have all these immunity stuff with us. This is Dr. Koshi, and I will again share this link with Anu. And here he has been saying that the nutrition, immunity nutrition. What is this chart? So all the above things must be taken more. That means ginger, garlic, turmeric. Keep हमारे खाने में तो सब रहता ही रहता है. Okay, so more fruits, vegetables, and less of sugar. Okay, sugar is something which is not a good, not friendly with with the immune system. They say if you take 2 teaspoons of sugar, your immune system goes to in the sleep mode for about an hour or so. Okay, so that is you have to cut down on sugar and improve the things. Okay. So I think we'll stop here and take your questions. Okay. Meanwhile, you can use the chat box and say that, okay, give your ratings in the chat box, drop in your ratings. Yeah, if you think that the session was 80% and above to your capacity, type accordingly, or whatever you feel. Give an honest feedback. There's no, and anything that you learned from this session, yeah, feel free to write it down, right? And or also you can put it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, that's what Anu has created. So to the, and then now let's come to your questions. They are more important. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So we have Archana Kumar who's asking a question.
Yeah.
Archana, please unmute yourself and go ahead. Yes.
Actually, no question, Shrikantji, but the breathing techniques were amazing.
Achha.
I suffer from mild asthma and seasonal asthma, but today when I was doing the breathing technique, the 4 seconds breathing, holding and then releasing, I normally do all this, but not in this tempo.
Okay.
It's little faster than what the things that you said. It was very relaxing and I could breathe from my abdomen. I
Wow.
breathe
Great.
nice and absolutely relaxed. Thank you very
Thank you, Archana. Yeah.
much.
Shall I tell you something? Okay.
Yeah.
You try this Bhasrika. I will show you how to do it. Okay. And your asthma will be a gone case immediately. Right?
Okay.
So rapid breathing is what, see, the lungs will get energized. Okay. See, what is asthma all about? See those bronchioles and here and there, right? There is some, obstruction to this thing for many reasons. There may be because of stress, maybe due to any, see, that is all psychosomatic. It may have come because of what you also don't know. A lot of medicines will not help. But this Bhasrika will heat up your lungs and it will clean up. Yeah, it will clean up. It is like that, curd and milk. Curd will not flow, but milk will flow. Yeah, and water will flow like easily. So, yeah. Thank you. I so feel so happy if you are benefited from this.
So
Thank you
thank
so
you
much.
very much.
Yeah.
Definitely benefited.
Wonderful. We will open the forum right now.
Yeah,
Aarti,
please.
please share or ask your question.
So I don't have any questions, but yes, this whole thing has energized me. I can feel my breath is now very different from what it was.
Thank you
So
so
thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you, Aarti. Thank you so much.
I'm going to be doing this every day.
Please.
In fact, I felt very, very peaceful, and I'm really planning to do this every day. I've recorded this down. It got broken in the middle because my internet fell apart, but
No.
you will get it in two different parts, the recording and the YouTube, which is not a big deal. Ashish, please,
Yes.
could you
Yes,
unmute
Ashish.
yourself? Yes.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Sir, I want to ask, you told that our thought is like 80,000 per day.
Yeah, 60
And
to 80,000 thoughts in
yeah,
a day. Yeah.
yeah, and breath is equal to 21,000 per day.
21,000. Yeah, 15
So
per minute.
yeah, so
So, yeah.
we have to make it equal to
No.
reduce the thought process,
No,
or
no. No, no. What I'm saying is, see, that is the reason. See, where, no, the heartbeats are what? 72 per minute.
yeah,
Heartbeats are 72 per minute. And the breathing is 15 per minute.
right,
Okay. So when you inhale, when you start inhaling, okay, the breathing rate increases because you are energizing yourself.
right,
Okay. And when you start exhaling, the breathing rate slows down.
right,
Okay. So this is the opportunity for us to use this nature, this phenomenon, to quieten the mind.
okay,
Okay. So the breathing is the only way to quieten the mind. There is no other way to quieten the mind. Mind cannot be controlled by the mind. So you use the breath to control the mind.
so
So
it's
breathing can be regulated, correct?
yeah,
Ashish? Yeah.
yeah, right,
So use what is controllable. You use that technique for
okay.
instead of going up. Yeah.
So it means breathing is equivalent to thought. Means if you we
No.
control
Breathing
the
is not
breath.
equivalent to thought. Breathing is energy to the thoughts.
Okay, okay,
Okay. So I did not want to get into. See, there is a sutra in yoga which says Shalevate Shalam Chittam. Okay. When the breath moves, Shalevate. Vata means Vayu. So when the breath moves, the mind moves. Shalevate Chalam Chittam.
okay,
So now that means what? If we have to stop the thoughts, what we have to do? We have to remove the plug now. So what is removing the plug? You can't stop oxygen to the brain, but you can reduce the flow of oxygen to the brain.
okay,
Correct? So if the mind is functioning, brain is functioning because of what? Because of oxygen. So I was telling you that Jalandhar Bandha. No?
yeah,
So what is happening now? I have locked the jaw area now, and all that is, all that flow is now not going to the brain. So what will it do? It will use these, whatever stagnated blood flow is there in the brain. In fact, this Jalandhar Bandh, the next step of Jalandhar Bandh is called Murcha Pranayam. Murcha means the person will faint. There's a particular way of doing it. That means what? You are regulating the flow of blood to the brain.
Brain. Okay.
So what we are saying is, if you can control your breathing, you will be able to control your thoughts. You can regulate your thoughts. See, 80,000, 60,000 thoughts. If you can reduce it by say 5,000 also, your energy expenditure has come down.
Right.
Correct? See, because why? Because these thoughts have got no logic. They have got no subject. They have, see, you just feel or just think about what thoughts are coming to your mind. It is all unrelated. Okay, it is not about breathing. It is not about meta health. Is not about webinar. It may be about something else at all.
Okay.
It is all haywire. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
What we have to do is from that chaos, we have to bring it into something. We cannot become perfectionists. But what we can do is cut down a little bit, try to trim down, try to even if you can do, like we said, by holding your breath, right? Or there is a particular asana, you must have seen that Vrikshasana. People do that Vrikshasana. Okay, hands up, and on one feet they try to balance. What happens, Vrikshasana? The tree. So that tree pose, the body has to balance. The one feet is balancing the whole body. Mind cannot think of anything else but to balance itself. So mind cannot go outside the body now.
Right.
Okay. So we are trying to arrest the mind into the activities of the body so that it doesn't go out. So we are making mind is, now we are prisoners of the mind in today's scenario. Right? But here what we are trying to do, we are trying to imprison the mind into our body. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you,
that's
sir.
so beautifully said. We are the prisoners of the mind. Rather prison the mind.
मन हमारा आज मन मालिक है हमारा आज.
Absolutely.
Right. उसको हमको बंदी बनाना पड़ेगा.
Absolutely.
We'll have to make it. अरे बाबा तुम बैठ, थोड़ा शांत बैठ. Stay home. That is what.
Stay home. That's right.
Stay
Lucille,
home.
you have any question?
Stay with me. Stay home. Yeah. Thank you.
Lucille,
Thank
you
you,
have
sir.
any question? Any sharing?
No, I love that. Thank you very much. It also just reminded me many years ago, I used to do a lot of breath work. So very similar to what you're doing. And I would do it for about, it was before I had children, so it was possible. But early in the morning, I would do it for about 2 hours. And wow. I noticed, so I did really, really deep breathing. And I noticed it was really fantastic to release any trauma in the muscles. So sometimes you can get into quite an altered state. And if there's been trauma in the muscle, you can actually feel the muscle will start shaking.
Uh-huh.
And you breathe, continue breathing through that, and it releases any of the old trauma. So it's really, really fantastic breath. So yeah, really great.
Thank you for that.
Thank you. Thanks for that. I mean, we feel encouraged, if we are getting some sort of deep breathing is in fact, I can share with you that our Prime Minister, he has a small video. I can share that clip with you. So he says, how do you, you work so hard and you are always, and you feel always fresh. What is the secret of all these things? He said, the secret is nothing. I do yoga and all these things. I am attached, and he has been a very spiritual person from very long time for a very long time. But he said, okay, in some times when I have to do this thing, I resort to deep breathing. So that's what he says. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Let's go to the next
so much,
person.
Anu. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for taking
No,
out your
wait,
time.
रुकिए.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Dr. Nutan, please unmute करके share your experience. Thank you.
Yeah, Nutan.
Yes, hi. Thank you, Anu. It's like last 32 years, what I was doing, I don't know, because now I'm getting aware about breathing. it's completely.
Yeah.
There is so much about breathing, and now it's like, oh my God, you have to be very, very careful while even breathing. So thank you so much for making me aware. And yes, I'll have to go for like mindful breathing. Thank you so much for all the information.
Thank you, Nutan.
Dr. Manorama,
Thank you
so much for that. Dr. Manorama, please unmute yourself. Yes.
Yeah, that was a lovely session. I practice Brahmari and deep breathing regularly.
Very good.
I know the benefits of that. And in fact, being a doctor, I know about lung capacity and everything, but the correlation with Ayurveda, that was very much and I got to know about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you so much. Shamla had written some very nice things on the chat. Shamla, could you unmute yourself?
Yes. Well, thank you so much. I mean, like, it was a very lovely session. I mean, I could come to know so much about the breathing and everything. Well, in one slide, you said that, the neck, that was not very clear. The slide was not clear that your neck muscles, back neck muscles, they have many benefits. And so when you do any exercise, say for example cobra stretch, or maybe some yoga poses, or maybe some bicycle crunches, or maybe some leg raises, so because your neck is like strained, so how does it help basically?
No. See, these exercises that we shared, we said that okay, the neck has got a lot of lymph nodes. Okay, so if you move the neck around, that will benefit. The other exercises which are there, which you said for say the inverted pose or the other things, when the neck is getting compressed. See, movement of lymph will happen when there is an incline, or when there is a pressure, right? And so many ways of moving the liquid in the body. So all the poses, right? There are 84 poses in yoga, and they are all very helpful for some or the other reason, right? So some, like we said, there are 600 nodes of lymph in the body. Okay, so it will benefit for some part for sure, right? So when you are in the inverted pose, the venous blood is coming back to the heart. Okay, the calf muscles, they call calf muscles as your second heart. Okay, so it is very important that the blood flow. And if you have noticed, some people, right, their calf muscles are very stiff, which is not a good sign. See, many people have got that varicose veins problem. Yeah, why? Because the blood flow is not coming, venous blood is not coming back to the heart easily. So what you have to do? Very simple thing. Just put your feet up, and the gravity will bring it down easily.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, because in the slide you showed some butterfly poses and the cobra stretch, and of course there are many other poses wherein your the neck muscles are strained. So is it like helpful, and how does it help basically?
No. Every pose, for example, you do the cobra pose, right? The cobra pose is benefiting the thorax region. Correct? Yeah, so the chest is getting expanded, right? The spine is getting stretched properly. Okay, so the cobra pose benefits the lymph circulation in the chest region.
Right. So basically, my question was that any exercise that we do and which stresses or strains your neck, so is it helpful?
It will be helpful, right?
Huh.
It will be helpful, right? Provided it is done properly with for the intent and purpose that it is done. Yeah.
Being done. Okay.
Otherwise, like we said, 1, 2, 3,
No.
chakkar
Yeah.
aa jayega. Immediately, you will feel giddiness. Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Thank
love
you so
that.
much.
I love that fast pose of yours. I just went with it. Brilliant. Seema, you have a
Alright.
question. Go ahead. Shoot.
Yeah,
Thank you.
please.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Anu. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It was wonderful, seeing
Thank you so. Yeah.
this. And I remember I used to the humming before.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't know why I've stopped. So I think humming is very, very
Yeah,
beneficial.
absolutely.
And there's one question I would like to
Please,
ask
please.
you, because at this point I'm a little confused. Till today, till now, I heard that we should breathe through our stomach.
Acha. Okay.
तो अभी आप कह रहे हो breathe through our lungs. तो ये क्या difference है?
नहीं,
और
good. See, कैसे है? The thing was. Can I go back to the slide?
Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
I'll go to the slide. Yes. You have asked a good question, right? Or let me share with you these. See, you look at the chest muscles. Okay, there are a pair of 12 muscles. They are called intercostal muscles. Okay. After that, there is a diaphragm. The diaphragm is a separator between the chest and the stomach region. Correct. Now, when you the lungs by itself, by the chest by itself, cannot, when we say 3,600 cubic centimeters of oxygen expandable capacity. Now, all that things cannot be done only by the chest. Okay, so you have to take support of the stomach. Okay, so that is in the level 2 that we share. So where in the chest, the stomach and the chest both are used in coordination. Okay, here what we said was for the preliminary purpose. Only what we said was at least from 500, from the current limited oxygen that we are taking, we should go. We can see double 100% improvement is easily possible. Why 100%? Even 200% improvement is easily possible. Okay, तो वो सिर्फ chest से भी हो जाएगा. But if you have to go more than that, right? If you have to go up to 3.5 liters, 3,600, 3,400, 3,000 liters, 3,000 cubic centimeters, then you need to use both the sections. That is called as sectional breathing. That means you use the stomach and chest both together, right? So, you take you collaborate with the stomach also. So you said, Mr. Stomach, you also get into this, breathing part of it. So you please help me in, and coordinate with the chest. And that work is done by the diaphragm. Because what happens is, if you see, when you breathe in, correct, the diaphragm is going down and the space in the lungs is increasing. And when you breathe out, the diaphragm is pushing up and the space in the lungs get reduced and oxygen, exhalation is happening. Many things to it, but your point is very valid. You have asked only the one portion. There is nothing to, there was no agenda for that, but for, the type of, the audience that we have said that we will, let's, do first, preliminary things and then go into advanced things. Thank you so much.
Let's go to the next person, and the next person is Krishnu Shah. Krishanu Shah, who's Krishanu Shah? Could you please unmute yourself and...
Yes, Dr.
Yes.
Anu, this is
Yes.
Krishanu. Actually, I have logged in with his name. I had asked Shrikant ji.
Yes. Correct. Yeah. Right. So what are the contraindications? Correct, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So the contraindications are like this. Okay. See, deep breathing per se will not, cause any hindrance for the hypertension or so. Right? Where the hypertension people are, getting or should be cautious is while holding of the breath, number one, and doing some topsy-turvy poses or something like shoulder stand or something like that. But here, like you said, if there is some challenge in terms of the medical condition, do it in a manner which is comfortable to you.
Okay.
And that is good enough. Yeah. See what we should do. See what is happening here is like all these contraindications. For example, now I was showing Bhastrika to Nutan. He said, now this you should not do people who are with hypertension. Correct? Because this rapid fire is not good for the heart.
Okay.
Only people who have got in
hypertension.
Should be. Yeah. So always always take advice of your yoga teacher or somebody of your doctor, right, before getting into these things. Especially with people who are having some of the other issues, right? They must consult their doctor. But normal general things are okay, right? Provided you take caution. Right? Okay. And we all are informed citizens, and I'm sure we'll put our health before any other things. Yeah, we'll not go overboard. Yeah.
Wonderful.
So normal deep breathing with some holding, like you said, 4 seconds.
Krishnanu, actually what he's saying is that there should not be any problem with breathing because you're anyway breathing, but just don't do anything that is very aggressive.
4 seconds you are not comfortable. Yeah. You make it in 3 seconds, 2 seconds. That's good.
So whatever is comfortable to us, we should continue only with.
Yes,
absolutely.
And even the volume, you please see, like you said, if you are comfortable with 400-500 cubic centimeters, that is good enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Slowly, see the lungs. You take like a balloon. Okay, the lungs are like a balloon. So slowly you stretch them, right? Don't try and bloat them immediately. Don't try to exhale immediately with faster. So that will put a lot of pressure on the heart and on the lungs. So take your time to stabilize and then move to the next level. So today, if I have not, we should not go and run a full marathon immediately. No, we should just observe the people, just walk for a couple of kilometers, then maybe do a little more, right? Then
so Shrikant is saying be a little conservative. Let's go to the next person, Sarita. Yeah. Thank you so much for that question.
Thank you.
Sarita.
Yeah. Hello. Thank you for the mindful session, sir. I just have one question. As you discussed about Surya Nadi and Chakra Nadi. Yeah. So I want to ask that the people who are hyperactive, will breathing from left nostril few times in a day help them like settling down? Is it that way?
It will help them. Yeah. See, anybody when they are hyperactive or they are more active, or when we all are, not only others, we are also active. When we are active, our right nostril will function more. Okay, because we need energy. And when we are relaxing, our left nostril will function better. Okay. So this is where the balancing system is there. So Anulom Vilom is a balancing pranayam. Okay, depending upon the need, depending upon the condition, right? For example, now it is summer season. For answer the question. Okay. See, if you use your left nostril more, you will feel cooler. Okay. So similarly, what you said, if somebody who is hyperactive, okay, you can ask them to breathe through left nostril more. They will feel a cooling effect. Yeah, they can calm down. Right? But it will not happen in, he still not calm down. वो 2 बार किया, 2 बार से कुछ नहीं होगा. It will not happen. It will take a little time to the effect to happen. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let's go to the next person.
Anu, I have something to ask here.
Yes.
I've heard about to lift your left leg to activate your right nostril, and like it's vice versa. So can he just throw light on it?
See, there are points which will do that thing. But why do go to the leg region? Okay, you can just shift your neck on the right side. Your left nostril will close down. Okay, you take the neck on the left side. Your right nostril will close down. Yeah? Use that.
That's pretty easy and no headache. There are left and right thing. Thank you so much.
That's simple. Yeah.
Let's make it simple, stupid, right?
Yeah.
Next person, Amita. Amita, you have any question? Uma, Sana, Chandrasekhar. Yes.
No questions, ma'am. Thank you.
No question. Chandrasekhar, Uma, Sana.
No questions. I just joined.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Okay, Binaifa, are you ready? You have any questions? So
No
Shrikantji.
Thank you. I'm ready.
Okay, Shrikantji, we have some surprise for you. You've been here and you've given us such amazing knowledge today. And we have a little angel in our group who's called Binaifa. And she does angel cards and tarot cards for everybody at the end of the session.
Wow.
And you are our speaker today, and so special privilege for you. And so Binaifa, just go ahead. Do you have any specific question? Good night, Manorama. Sleep tight, sweet dreams. Do you have any questions, Shrikantji?
No.
No question.
Really. Yeah.
Just go ahead, Binaifa, and have a reading for him, please. I really appreciate all of you coming every day and supporting me and supporting other people. I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Do not go away after Binaifa's talk. I have something very special to show you guys. Something that a friend of mine has created and he sent it. So I think it's worth watching it today. Thank you, Binaifa. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, Shrikantji. Thank you so much. Wonderful session. Really brought back the attention on breathing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So I picked up 2 cards for you. The first one is Archangel Chamuel, who is saying, I'm helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. So something maybe you are looking for is coming to you. The second card is Angel Shanti, who is saying, I'm the angel of peace. I bring you new tranquility and a smoother road ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wow, that's amazing.
Truly appreciate it. Yeah.
That's really amazing. Let's read the card for Krishnanu Shah. She had a lot of questions in her mind. Let's do a card reading for her.
Thank you so very much, Dr. Anu.
You're most welcome, my dear.
You have a question?
Krishnanu, a question?
Not exactly. It will be fine like that.
Okay.
Actually, yes, I do have a question. This is regarding my younger son, and he has got anxiety issues actually, and it could be going towards OCD, might be possible, not very sure. So just wanted to have something about him.
Okay, let's do this, Binaifa. She's a typical mom who gave herself up and then went trespass, and I gave her an opportunity and she trespassed.
Thank you so very much, Dr.
So
Anu.
let's do it for her and then for her son. Thank you. Very typical. Don't worry. दोनों हाथों से लेना शुरू करो, madam.
Yes, yes.
You are not picking up things and receiving.
Okay.
Receiving is blocked.
Yeah, actually, that's what I got in the cards also. That it's very difficult for her to accept. She's always in the mode of lack and always in the mode of I want it, but I don't know how to get it. And maybe there is someone in your life also right now who is pulling you down with these thoughts. So just try and cut off emotionally from such people if you can't cut off physically from such people, and
Okay.
try to just build your confidence again and try to come out of this feeling and space of lack.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's do the next reading for Amita.
You wanted me to check for her son, no, Anu?
Yes, yes, please, please. I'm so sorry. Just go ahead. I'm sorry, I was trying to multitask. I was trying to remove the what I really wanted to show you guys.
What is your son's name? I'm not getting it. I'm just drawing a blank, all blank cards. What is your son's name?
Rudra, Rudra.
परछाई भी मेरी है वो, साया भी मेरा है वो, फिर भी मैं पूछती हूँ कौन है वो, है ना कृष्णानु?
Yes, very true.
जानती मैं भी हूँ उसको इतने अच्छे से कि कोई और नहीं जानता, फिर भी दूसरों को पूछती हूँ किसकी परछाई है वो.
So true, so true.
So it could be veering towards an OCD, but I feel that somewhere he is feeling very pressured. He may not be pressured actually, but he's feeling very burdened about a few things, and that is what is making him like that and aggravating the situation. So maybe you would like to check on that, what it is that is making him feel so heavy that, you know, it's my responsibility. This is also my responsibility. That
Good
is
morning, Archana.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. We'll surely look into it.
Is
Thank
Luna around you?
Huh? No, no.
No.
Let's go to the new edition and a newbie today who just entered in, Chandrasekhar Shetty. Let's do card reading for him.
Any
Thank
question?
you. Any question, Chandrasekhar?
No, not really.
Not really. You can just read.
I actually know Shrikant ji for many years.
Oh, you are there, man.
Yeah, that's
You made your day.
How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm fine.
Long time, huh? Last time I saw
Long
you
time.
was in Bhinder, right? That
Yeah.
session in.
This seems to be becoming a forum on which friends meet.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
He sent me a message today saying that he's doing something. So I thought, let me join and see what's happening.
Wonderful. So let's give you card reading for that. Yes, Vinay?
Okay. Okay.
Do you have a question? No, no.
Not really. Not really. Never done card reading before.
Okay.
So first time for me.
Always the first time. First time. Okay. I was going to say something naughty, but I said restrain. First time.
So both the cards I got for you were money cards, money related.
Good.
It says that whatever efforts you're going to put in, you're going to reap the benefits of that only. And right now you have put in certain efforts and you are waiting for some result to come in, which is going to be slightly delayed. And there is somebody who is coming up in your life who is going to help you out in this financial situation, at least either in a better way to plan it or how to go about basically to get a smoother road ahead. So maybe you know this person already, or it's somebody new entering your life, but somebody is there to guide you financially.
All right, that's good to hear. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. I just picked up an angel card for you also. So that is Angel Astara, who is saying you deserve the best. Reach for the stars with your dreams and desires, and don't compromise.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Most welcome.
So, Binaifur, I feel there is a little boy on the forum who's not seen, but his mom is here. So let's do a reading for that little boy. And he's in South Africa. So let's do Lucille's son's reading. So just pick up one beautiful card from the angels. That's what it feels.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.